The Eteris 2-module boxes have been conceived for horizontal or vertical side-by-side installation to meet the functional and look requirements of the system. The side walls of the boxes have knockouts that can be removed for the passage of the cables from one box to the other. The coupler supplied joins the boxes together, making the subsequent wall installation stages much easier. Before installing the boxes in the wall, fit the molt protection guard supplied. The correct positioning of the boxes is the most important aspect of the Axolute Eteris installation and gives the guarantee of an optimum look. To ensure perfect alignment of the boxes and therefore the light switch, use the appropriate spirit level secured on the molt guard. Once the boxes are perfectly level, proceed by fixing them to the wall. Once the wall finishing plaster has been applied, the boxes must be flush with the wall, without any protrusion from the same. Remove the molt guards and continue with the subsequent installation stages. Should the finishing plaster come away from around the boxes, use the appropriate accessory to finish the profile of each box with precision. As the design of Axolute Eteris is asymmetrical, make sure to follow the indications shown on the support to ensure correct orientation. In case of side-by-side installation, the cover plates must be perfectly aligned. To ensure this, start by positioning the supports on the boxes without tightening the screws so that they can be adjusted later. Position the template and the spirit level on the first two supports. Once the correct position has been found, tighten the screws. Continue with securing the next support in position. Axolute Eteris can be used to install all the Axolute devices listed in the catalogue, from axial controls to My Home devices. The clear support protection supplied protects the look of the mechanisms until the work is completed. When the work is completed, remove the clear protection and install the cover plates. Should it become necessary to remove the cover plate, use the appropriate accessory with suction pads. This will avoid any damage to the cover plate and the wall finish. Axolute Eteris, slim line with an exclusive design. Installation excellence for a unique and elegant look.